Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class, we will complete exercise 20A. Okay, so quickly see the questions which we will do it today. The questions are from 14 till 20. So let's start with question number 14 children. The area of a square plot is 6084 meters square. Find the length of the wire which can go 4 times along the boundary of the plot. Okay, just imagine a square plot nearby your house. Okay, a plot is there, a land is there which is in the shape of a square, means all the sides of that plot land, okay, that will be equal, and the area is given to us children. They are asking that what will be the length for fencing it if we will go around 4 times. Okay, so let's start with the given things. What is given to us? It's question number 14. Given area of square. It is given to us children. It is 6084 meters square. 6084 meters square. They said that this is the area of a square plot. Okay, a square plot is there and area is given to us. This one is given to us. This one is given to us. Means its side will be equal because square shaped plot is this. This we know. And one more thing is that if what will be the find the length of the wire. A wire is there and you have to find the length of that wire which can go 4 times along the boundary of the plot. Means if you will start it from here, take the wire and start it from here and then go around, it will be 1 time, then 1 more time, then go around 3 times and 1 more time. Means total 4 times you have to use that wire. Okay. So it means what we are doing children, we are going along its boundary length, means we have to find its perimeter. If you go around the boundary length of any plot, any shape, then it will be the perimeter of that particular figure. So for this we have to find the perimeter, and perimeter of what? Perimeter of square plot. Okay, perimeter of square plot. This will be 4 into side. 4 into side. This will be the length of the wire for 1 time. And for finding the 4 times, we have to multiply it with 4. So it will be 4 into 4s. Okay, 16s. But we need this side children. For finding this, we need the side. हमें side चाहिए. Side is not given to us. In the question, only area is given to us. So whatever is given to us, we will start it from there. हमें जो मिला है, हम उसी से start करेंगे and then we will find the unknown thing. So let's start with the area. We know that area of square, यहाँ पे plot भी आएगा बेटा. Area of square is side into side. This we know. Area of square is side into side, or you can write it as side into side means side का square. You can write it. Now area of square plot is given to us 6084. This is equal to side ka square. Now children, from here if we find the value of side, we can put it in the perimeter and then we can find the length of that wire which we will use to make it 4 times. So for this, if it is square, as a square is this na, so let's find this one. Is this is a square of any number? Is this is a square of any number? This we have to find. Now it is a square of 78. Okay, it is a square of 78. But how you will find it? So for this you have to do factorization. 6084. Now see it properly. You have to do prime factorization. It is 4, so it will be divided by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 1 is left, so it is 10 now. So 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now 1 is there at the 1's place, so we can't divide it by 2. So now we will take 3, whether it will be divisible by 3 or not. Let's see. 5 plus 1 6, 7 8 and 9. Yes, it can be divisible by 3. Now divided by 3. So 3 5 are 15. Now it is 2 children. It is less than 3. So we will take 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. And now 21. We will take both. 3 sevens are 21. Again it can be divided by 3. Divisibility rule लगाइए 3 का. It can be divided. 7 plus 5 12 होगा. So yes, it can be divisible by 3. So 3 1 are 3. 2 is left. So 20. So 3 6 are 18. Again 2 is left. 3 9 are 27. Now 169 will not be divided by 3. It will be divided by 13. 13 times 13 का स्क्वायर होता है बेटा 169. If you will learn the squares ना, then you will not be in a position to check it by 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. No, you will quickly recall your memory that okay, 169 is the square of 13. So you will quickly take this 13 into 13, because before if you will use any number less than 13, no, it will not be divided. Now 13 ones are 13. So what are the prime factors? Just collect it. 6 0. I am writing here 6 0 8 4. The factors are 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and 13 into 13, and 13 into 13. 13 into 13. So means 2 का square. Okay, 2 pair है ना, 2 का square. Then 3 into 3 means 3 का square, and 13 into 13 means 13 का square. ऐसे. Now all together when you can see the power is same. Laws of exponent लगाइए बेटा. Power is same. So what you can write? You can write it in this way. Whole to the power 2. Now what are the base? 2, 3 and 13. Multiplied. 2 into 3 into 13. आपने पावर क्या ले लिया? कॉमन ले लिया वहाँ पे टॉप पे. ठीक है, सबका पावर 2 था, सो कॉमन ले लो. Now 2 into 3 into 13. 13 3s are 39 and 39 2s are 78. So this is the square of 64. 6084. This is the square of 78. So instead of writing 6084, I can write 78 का square. So these things you can write it in a rough work. लिखिए, ये भी करिए, but write it in a rough work. Or if you are using it, then use it properly. Now instead of 6084, I am writing 78 का square. So I am erasing this. This is 78 का square, which is equal to s का square. Now you can see the equal to sign. Power is same. Square square, it means base will also be same. ऐसे questions हम कर चुके हैं बेटा. If equality sign is there, power is equal to 2. So the base will also be equal. Base भी equal होगा. यानी 78 will be equal to the side, or you can write it as side is equal to 78. ठीक है, अब तो ये हमारे पास side आ गया. Now from this side we can calculate the unknown thing which the question is asking from us. Question is asking that how many what will be the length of the wire which can go around 4 times along its path, along its plot. So now what we will do? We will do the next portion. Perimeter of length of wire, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं आप. Length of wire, I am erasing this children. Now you can write it as length of wire used for 1 round. Length of wire used for 1 round. 1 round के लिए कितना होगा बेटा? 1 round will be the 4 into side, the perimeter of square. Square का perimeter will be 4 into side. So for 1 round, अगर आप एक round इस wire को लेके जा रहे हैं along its boundary, so it will be 4 into side. So 4 into side means 4 into 78. 4 into 78. Side हमारा 78 आ चुका था. ठीक है. Now multiply this. 8 4s are 32. 3 is left. 7 4s are 28 and 3 31. इतना आ गया. ठीक है, ये मीटर स्क्वायर में था तो इसकी लेंथ होगी मीटर में. नाउ फॉर 4 टाइम्स, क्वेश्चन में वन राउंड में नहीं पूछा है. दे आर आस्किंग द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर विच कैन बी गो अराउंड 4 टाइम्स around its path, around its plot. So length of wire used for 4 times बेटा, 4 times. आप एक साथ भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, नो नीड टू स्प्लिट दिस, बट दिस पॉइंट शुड बी क्लियर टू यू कि वाई यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग 4 अगेन, क्योंकि हमको 4 टाइम्स इसका राउंड लेके जाना है. अगर वो बोलते हैं 5 टाइम्स राउंड लेके जाइए, सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 5 विद दिस पेरीमीटर. एक टाइम का आया ये 312. नाउ इफ 2 टाइम यू हैव टू डू, तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. If 4 times, so multiplied by 4. So it will be 4 into 312 meter. So this will be 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. This is the total length of the wire which can go around this plot 4 times. Okay. Quickly see this, children. I am waiting for you. Just write it. Now I think you all have written it. So let's start with the next question. We will solve the next question. Question number 16, children. A go down is 50 meter long, 40 meter broad and 10 meter is the height. Find the cost of whitewashing its 4 walls and ceiling at a rate of 20 rupees per meter square meter. Okay. So a go down is there, children. Just imagine it, a go down is there, or imagine your room, and it will have what? It will have length. Okay, if you will see the floor, it will have length and breadth. But if you will see this wall, this will be considered as the height. So all the 3 things are given in the question: length, breadth and the height. The height is given, and now you have to whitewash. You have to whitewash that go down along with the ceiling. Ceiling means ceiling fan, children. Ceiling means that the upper portion. Okay, floor is the ground one. So no one used to whitewash the floor, isn't it? We used to whitewash the area, the wall and the ceiling. They are asking the same thing. See if they have to whitewash that go down, what will be the total cost? So first of all we have to find the area. कितनी जगह पे पेंट होगा, है ना? वाइट वॉशिंग विल बी इन हाउ मच एरिया? सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया फर्स्ट, टोटल एरिया टू बी वाइट वॉश्ड, एंड देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इट विद द कॉस्ट. Cost is 20 rupees. So just quickly see the question, write down it, and I am erasing my board work so that I can do next question. Question number 16. Now children, quickly let's write down the given things first. Length is 50 meter long. Question number 16. Write down given. क्या आपको given है? Length is 50 meter. ये length है उस go down की बेटा. And the breadth is 40 meter. Breadth is 40 meter. And the height is 10 meter. Height कितना है? 10 meter. ठीक है? In this way, you just write down the given things: length, breadth, and height. And cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing is rupees 20. Cost of whitewashing means painting, is rupees 20 per meter square. अगर 1 मीटर हमारा एरिया आएगा तो we will pay only 20 rupees. If the area which we have to paint, which the labor will have to paint, if it will be 1 meter square, then we have to pay 20 rupees. If it is 2 meter square, then we have to pay 40 rupees. If it is 10 meter square अगर एरिया आएगा white washing का, so we have to pay how much? 20 into 10, that is 200 rupees. Okay, this is the cost of white washing. Now फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द एरिया. उस रूम का एरिया निकालना है. सो एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल, एरिया ऑफ वी नो, आप लिखेंगे वी नो व्हाट, या अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. एरिया टू बी वाइट वॉश्ड, एरिया ऑफ गो डाउन टू बी वाइट वॉश्ड, एरिया वी नो दैट, नो वी नो नहीं लिखेंगे बेटा, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन ही लिख दीजिए. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, एरिया ऑफ गो डाउन be whitewashed, to be whitewashed, area of godown to be whitewashed is equal to area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling. Okay, area of ceiling, area of 4 walls, हमें 4 walls का भी एरिया निकालना है और सीलिंग का भी निकालना है. Now area of 4 wall is given in the book also. Just see at it is 2 into L plus B into height. ठीक है, ये है एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल. इसे कहते हैं एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल. सिर्फ 4 वॉल, नाइदर सीलिंग नाइदर द फ्लोर. हमने फ्लोर का एरिया नहीं लिया और सीलिंग का एरिया नहीं लिया. अगर किसी भी रूम का आपको लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट पता है बेटा, सो यू कैन फाइंड व्हाट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. एंड एरिया ऑफ सीलिंग, इफ यू विल सी द सीलिंग, द लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ विल बी देयर. Okay, length and breadth. Okay, height is not there, so you will use L into B. L into B. Now put all the values and calculate it. क्या क्या हमको put करना है बेटा? Length is 50 मीटर प्लस 40 मीटर breadth है और height है 10. यहाँ पर length is 50 मीटर and breadth is 40 मीटर. ऐसे. So 50 plus 40, it is 90. 92 जा 180 and 180 into 10 1800 plus 5 4 जा 20 and 00 ऐसे. ठीक है, 90 9 2 जा 18, so 180 हो गया. 180 into 10 is this much. So total when you will calculate, it will be 0 0 and 8, yes, and 3. Yes, 1800 and this is in meter square. Now you have to calculate. Okay, it's not visible. See this. It is the total area which we have to whitewash. Now cost कैसे निकलेगा? So cost of whitewashing will be area, total area to be whitewashed into cost पर मीटर स्क्वायर. कितना कॉस्ट है 1 मीटर स्क्वायर में, कितना कॉस्ट है वो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो एरिया टू बी whitewashed is 3800 and cost is 20 rupees. So multiply it with 20. So it is, yes, it is visible now. I think this is 3800 into 20. I think it is visible now. Yes. Now 3 zeros already there बेटा, यहीं पे रख लीजिए. 8 2 जा 16, 3 2 जा 6, 17, 76,000 rupees we have to pay. Okay, now quickly see it. Copy it, children. Now let's move to the next question. Next question is question number, let's see, 17, 18, 19 and 20 are left. So if you will see 17 and 18, both are same, children. Okay, and 19 is a little bit different, 20 is also easy. So we can choose 17 right, 18 right now. I am doing question number 18. So you write down question number 18, children. Write down question number 18. I am erasing my board work. Question is, the area of 4 wall is given. Area of 4 wall is given to us. Area of 4 wall is 77 meter square. The length and breadth of the room are also given. They are asking the height from us. Very easy question, children. Question number 17. Write down question number 17. This is not working. Question number 17, children. Yes, it is working. This one is working. Now, area of 4 wall of a room given. Oh, no, not 17. 18, children. 18. Given लिखेंगे बेटा पहले आप. Given area of four walls. Area of four walls is 77 meter square. Area of four wall is given to us. Length is 7.5 meter and breadth is also given to us 3.5 meter. ये भी हमें दिया गया है. They are asking what is the height. What is the height of that room? What is the height of that room whose area of four wall is given to us? Now, just now we have done that one question now based on this formula that what is the area of four wall. आप लिखेंगे area of four wall. ये तो हमें पता भी है ना 77 and we know the formula also. Area of four wall is how much? 2 into L plus B into height. ठीक है 2 into L plus B into height. Area of four wall is given to us children. So quickly write down. ये तो already दिया हुआ है हमको, हमें निकालना नहीं है. Already it is given. So we will put it. Area of four wall तो दिया है भाई. Now it is equal to 2 into 2 तो 2 ही रहेगा. Length is what? Length is 7.5 and what is breadth? 3.5. ठीक है और into height ये हमें निकालना है. So 77 is equal to 2 into, if you will total it will be 11 and height 7 plus 3 आपका 10 होता है. 0.5 is 1 so 11 total is 11. Now 11 2 is 22 that will come here. So 77 divided by 22 will be the height. जिसको आपको निकालना है ना that you will keep it on one side. Height you have to find so keep it on one side. And this 2 into 11 is 22. It is in multiplication with this. So it will come down here for division. So 77 upon 22 when you will divide it. So it will be divided by 11. 11 2 ja 22. 11 7 ja 77. This is 7 by 2 children. What is this? H. Height is equal to 7 by 2. Or you can simplify this. You can simplify this. The answer will be 2 3 ja 6 and फिर 2 5 जा 10. 3.5 meter. Hence the height of the given room is 3.5 meter. In this way you conclude this question. Okay? Conclude with a statement line. Come on, write down it. Now children, we have to move to the next question. Let's see the next question. Next question is question number 19. If you will see, area of four wall of a room is 120 meter square. Area of four wall is given to you. If the length of the room is twice its breadth and the height is 4 meter, find the area of the floor. Children, you have to in this question length and breadth is not given to us. See, आप यहाँ आपको हम दिखा देते हैं. मैं I will tell you here only how you will solve question number 19. In area of four wall is given to you in question number 19 children. In question number 19, area of four wall is given to you. It is 120 meter square. 120 meter square. Length and breadth is not given to you. And what is given to you? Height. Height दे रखी है बेटा 4 meter. Height is given to you. This is 4 meter. ठीक है. Height is given. Length and breadth is not given. And but one relation is given to us that length and breadth of the, if the length of the room is twice its breadth, अगर length आपका breadth के twice है, दुगना है, ठीक है, तो लेंथ क्या है? दुगना है. अगर ब्रेथ की अगर ब्रेथ 5 है तो लेंथ कितना हो जाएगा? 2 into 5 दैट इज 10. अगर आपका ब्रेथ इज, इफ ब्रेथ इज 3 मीटर सो लेंथ विल बी ट्वाइस दैट इज 3 into 2 दैट इज 6. बट वी डोंट नो ना, हमें तो पता ही नहीं कि ब्रेथ कितना है. सो लेट द ब्रेथ बी x. जिसके बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं पता रहता उसको आप x लेंगे. और लेंथ के बारे में कुछ पता है ना हमें. व्हाट इज दैट लेंथ इज ट्वाइस ऑफ इट्स ब्रेथ. इतना तो हमें पता ही था, तो इसलिए x किसको लेंगे? आप ब्रेथ को लेंगे. इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता. लेट द ब्रेथ बी x. नाउ द लेंथ विल बी ट्वाइस ऑफ इट्स ब्रेथ. ट्वाइस ऑफ इट्स ब्रेथ. ब्रेथ अगर x है तो उसका ट्वाइस लेंथ हो जाएगा. नाउ यू विल अप्लाई द सेम फॉर्मूला. एरिया ऑफ फोर वॉल. क्यों इसको अप्लाई करेंगे बेटा? बिकॉज इट इज गिवन टू यू, ठीक, ये आपको दिया गया है. सो व्हाट यू विल राइट, एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 देखिए कैसे करेंगे. एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल इज 120, लेंथ इज ट्वाइस ऑफ एक्स, ब्रेड्थ इज एक्स. जो हमने एज्यूम किया है वही लिखिए. यहाँ पे आपको लिखना पड़ेगा बेटा लेट ऐसे करके. एंड हाइट इज गिवन टू अस, दैट इज 4. सो वॉट एवर इज गिवन वी विल पुट इट हेयर. इन दिस वे वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. इससे हमें एक्स की वैल्यू मिलेगी पहले. फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. लेट्स डू इट. 120 is equal to 2 into 2x plus x. Algebraic expression children, याद करिए, सेम टर्म है, it can be added. Yes, 2x plus x is 3x into 4. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा 2 3 just 6. ये सब मल्टीप्लाई में है बेटा, ऑल आर इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन. ब्रैकेट मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो 2 3 just 6, ये 6x हो गया. 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24. So 120 is equal to 6 4s are 24x. Now x will be kept on this side. 120 आपका इसी साइड है. 24 will come down and you will simplify this. 24 5 times आप लेके जाएंगे तो it will be 120. 24 5s are 120. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 5. अभी तो सिर्फ x आया है. Now the length will be what? Length will be now the length is how much? 2x. So length will be 2 into 5, that is 10. And breadth is x यानी 5. तो length 10 meter and breadth is 5 meter. But ये नहीं पूछा गया. They are asking that what is the area of floor. Area of floor. अपना floor देखिए आप. See the floor. Floor is comprising of length and breadth only. Floor में height नहीं होती बेटा. When you will see the floor ना, ठीक है, and just see your floor right now. See your floor. That's you will see that only it will be in a rectangular shape, or your room it will be in rectangular shape or square shape. So it will be only length and breadth. Length and breadth will be there. So there will be no height. So what will be the area of floor? So area of floor is equal to length into breadth. So length है हमारा 10, breadth is 5. So it is 50 meter square. 50 meter square. This will be the answer. Okay, see it. Now I hope this question is also clear to you, although this is the homework part, but I have started it, that's why I finished it. Now question number 20 children. In question number 20 it's very interesting and useful for you also, because in daily life whenever you want to paint your home, you should know it, that how much area you have to paint and what will be the cost of it. See, question is a room is 8.5 meter long. एक room है बेटा. Imagine a room which is in which you are sitting right now. हाँ, imagine करिए कि वो room का length क्या है. It is 8.5 meter long. Breadth is 6.5 meter and the height is 3.4. It has 2 door. उसमें 2 डोर है बेटा. ठीक है, डोर कहाँ पे होंगे? 4 walls के में कहीं ना कहीं होंगे, है ना. Neither in ceiling nor in the floor. ठीक है, डोर तो आपके एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल में होगा. ईच मेजरिंग 1.5 मीटर and 1 meter and 2 विंडो इज ऑल्सो देयर. 2 डोर हैं और 2 विंडो हैं. फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग इट्स 4 वॉल. ओके, चलिए सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ द डायग्राम फॉर दिस. इट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. अगर आपका रूम है तो रूम विल बी somehow like this. ठीक है, ऐसे करके आपका रूम होगा. ठीक, इसमें क्या है बेटा? इन दिस देयर आर 2 डोर. क्या है इसमें? 2 डोर है. तो मैं इसको खाली बस मैं अब इसको ले रहे हैं. मैम आपका सिर्फ एक फ्रंट का पोर्शन ले रही है. ठीक है, इसमें 2 डोर है. एक डोर ये है मान लीजिए, एक डोर ये है. एंड देयर आर 2 विंडो. 2 विंडो भी है उसमें. डोर की लेंथ ब्रेड्थ कितनी है बेटा? 1.5 into 1. 1.5 ये और इंटू 1 ये लेंथ है और ब्रेड्थ है, यानी ये रेक्टेंगुलर है. और विंडो भी आपका 2 मीटर बाय 1 मीटर है. 2 मीटर बाई 1 मीटर का मतलब क्या हुआ, 2 मीटर बाई 1 मीटर का मतलब हो गया कि ये भी आपका क्या है, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ रेक्टेंगल, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ रेक्टेंगल. यू हैव टू वाइट वॉश इट, आपको पूरा वाइट वॉश करना है. तो एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल विल बी देयर. आपको क्या गिवन पहले लिखेंगे, गिवन लेंथ कितना है, ठीक है, व्हाट विल बी द लेंथ, लेंथ इज 8.5 मीटर. व्हाट इज ब्रेड्थ, breadth is 3.5 meter and no 6.5 children, breadth is 6.5 and height is 3.5 meter. सब कुछ दिया है, all dimensions are given. हमको बस निकालना है एरिया ऑफ 3.4 है बच्चा, ये 3.4, 8.5, 6.5 and 3.4. yes. now एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल हमें पता है, एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल, area of 4 wall we know that it is 2 into L plus B into height. This is the area of 4 wall. But पूरे उस area of जो हमारा 4 wall है उसमें सिर्फ wall तो है नहीं, that we have to white wash. In that door is there, 2 door है उसमें and 2 windows are there. वो तो हम white wash नहीं कराएंगे ना. Or you will white wash it? No. डोर का कभी white wash नहीं होता बेटा, उसकी तो अपनी पॉलिश होती है ना. It may be of some different material, wooden material, fabric material, whatever. Some not fabric, some other fiber. Now, window is also in the same way. Window को भी आप white wash नहीं कराते हो, तो you have to subtract these area. Area of 4 wall पहले पूरा निकालिए. Find out the area of 4 wall कितना होगा. If length and breadth and height is this. Now from that subtract area of 2 door. That is length into breadth, क्योंकि ये rectangle है. तो लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ 1 का, तो 2 का कितना होगा, 2 इंटू एल इंटू बी. उसी तरह से विंडो का भी. सो आई एम राइटिंग द फॉर्मूला फॉर यू एंड देन यू विल सॉल्व इट. दैट एरिया टू बी वाइट वॉश, एरिया टू बी वाइट वॉश, एरिया टू बी वाइट वॉश्ड विल बी इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल, एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल माइनस, आप क्या माइनस करेंगे, व्हाट यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट, यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द एरिया ऑफ 2 डोर प्लस एरिया ऑफ 2 विंडो. ठीक है, दिस यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. एरिया ऑफ 2 डोर कितना हो जाएगा, 2 इंटू, क्योंकि 2 डोर हैं तो 2 इंटू एल इंटू बी, कि आपका डोर क्या है, रेक्टेंगुलर है. देन विंडो इज ऑल्सो रेक्टेंगुलर, सो यू विल फाइंड द रेक्टेंगल. 2 इंटू 1 है लेंथ, तो ये भी रेक्टेंगल है. सो विंडो भी एक विंडो तो है नहीं बेटा, 2 विंडोज आर देयर, सो 2 इंटू दैट. वॉट एवर विल कम यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इट विथ 160 बिकॉज कॉस्ट ऑफ वाइट वॉशिंग इज ₹160. ठीक है, सो यूज दिस फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड आउट टू द सॉल्यूशन, टू रीच द सॉल्यूशन. कि एरिया कितना वाइट वॉश करना है, एरिया वाइट वॉश करना है. एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल तो हमको करना ही करना है, लेकिन उसमें से हमको क्या नहीं करना, सो दैट वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द एरिया ऑफ, कितना एरिया, 2 डोर का एरिया एंड 2 विंडोज एरियाज वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. हम इसके लिए हम चार्जेस नहीं देंगे बेटा, इट विल नॉट बी वाइट वॉश, सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द एरिया. इतना एरिया हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे. वॉट एवर द एरिया विल कम आफ्टर दिस, that will multiply with the 160 because rate of white washing is 160 per meter square. Clear? So I think this question is clear to you. My main intention is to clear the concept of this question so that you can be able to solve this question. Now you will complete this chapter, this exercise, and then we will do the next exercise in the next class. Okay, till then complete it, children.